Did you know your body is constantly rebuilding itself from the inside out? And one of the most incredible examples of this is happening right now in your stomach. In fact, you get a brand new stomach lining roughly every single week. That's right. The very organ that digests your food is essentially brand new every 7 days. How is this even possible? And more importantly, why does it need to happen so quickly? Let's dive in. To understand this amazing feat, we first need to talk about what's inside your stomach. Gastric acid. This isn't just any liquid. It's an incredibly powerful substance. The main component is hydrochloric acid, which is so corrosive it can dissolve metal. On the pH scale, where 7 is neutral like pure water, your stomach acid sits between 1.5 and 3.5. That makes it more acidic than lemon juice or even battery acid. This extreme environment is fantastic for a few reasons. First, it obliterates most of the bacteria, viruses, and other nasty pathogens that sneak in with your food and drinks, acting as a crucial first line of defense for your immune system. Second, this acid is essential for digestion. It helps to break down tough food fibers, and crucially, it activates an important enzyme called pepsin, which starts the process of digesting proteins. Without this powerful acid, you wouldn't be able to get the nutrients you need from a steak or a handful of beans. But here's the paradox. If your stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve a nail, how does it not dissolve your stomach itself? This is where things get truly fascinating. Your stomach is constantly waging a war against its own contents. If you were to look at the stomach lining under a powerful microscope, you'd see a battlefield. The acid is constantly attacking the cells that form the inner wall of your stomach. It's a relentless chemical assault, and the cells are literally being disintegrated by the very substance they're designed to contain. It sounds terrifying, doesn't it? If this damage went unchecked, the acid will burn right through your stomach wall, causing catastrophic damage to your other internal organs. This is essentially what happens when someone gets a severe ulcer. So, how does your body prevent this self-destruction? The answer lies in two incredible defense mechanisms. The first is a thick layer of mucus. Before you say, ooh, this isn't the same kind of mucus you get with a cold. The cells in your stomach lining, called epithelial cells, secrete a special, thick, bicarbonate-rich mucus that coats the entire inner surface. This gooey layer acts as a physical barrier, a shield that keeps the corrosive acid from making direct contact with the cells. The bicarbonate in the mucus neutralizes the acid right at the surface of the lining, creating a safer, more neutral zone directly against the stomach wall. It's like having a fireproof suit on the inside. But even with this amazing mucus shield, some damage is inevitable. Acid can still get through, and cells still get worn down. This brings us to the second, and perhaps most mind-blowing defense mechanism, super fast regeneration. Your stomach lining has one of the highest cell turnover rates in your entire body. Deep within the pits of the stomach wall are special stem cells. These are like cellular factories, constantly producing brand new epithelial cells. As the old, damaged cells on the surface die and get sloughed off, becoming part of the food you redigested, these new cells migrate up to take their place. This process is happening so fast, so continuously, that your entire stomach lining is replaced every few days to a week. You are literally building a new stomach from the inside out constantly. Let's put this speed into perspective. Compare it to other parts of your body. Your skin, your body's outer protective layer, takes about 2 to 4 weeks to completely regenerate. Your red blood cells, which carry oxygen all over your body, have a lifespan of about 4 months. Your skeleton is even slower. It takes roughly 10 years for your entire bone structure to be replaced. But your stomach? It does the full job in less than a week. This rapid renewal is a testament to the extreme environment it has to endure day in and day out. It's a perfect example of evolution creating a solution for a seemingly impossible problem. So, what happens when this incredible system breaks down? When the balance between acidic attack and cellular defense is disrupted, problems arise. For example, infection with a bacterium called Helicobacter pylori can damage the mucus layer, allowing acid to reach the stomach wall and cause painful ulcers. Chronic stress and certain medications like NSAIDs can also weaken these defenses. On the other hand, if your body produces too little acid, you might have trouble digesting food and be more susceptible to infections. Understanding this amazing regenerative process isn't just cool trivia. It's at the forefront of medical research. Scientists are studying the stomach stem cells to learn more about how we can harness the body's own healing powers. This knowledge could lead to new treatments for conditions like gastritis, peptic ulcers, and even stomach cancer. By learning how the stomach protects and rebuilds itself so efficiently, we might be able to develop therapies that help repair other damaged tissues and organs throughout the body. Imagine being able to tell a damaged heart or liver to heal itself with the same speed and efficiency as the stomach. The possibilities are truly revolutionary. The human body is an absolute marvel of engineering, and the stomach is one of its unsung heroes. It performs a dangerous, essential job with a level of efficiency and self-preservation that is nothing short of miraculous. Every meal you eat is handled by an organ that is constantly sacrificing itself and rebuilding itself for your survival. It's a powerful reminder of the complex and beautiful processes happening inside you every single second. If you found this journey into your stomach as fascinating as I did, and you want to uncover more secrets about the incredible machine that is your body, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We have so much more to explore together. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.